Greetings and welcome to our channel once again. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of affiliate marketing and unveil some cutting-edge approaches to help you enhance your performance and increase your earnings. We'll be sharing some insider tips and tricks that you won't want to miss, so be sure to grab a pen and paper to take notes. Our goal is to provide you with valuable insights and information on affiliate marketing, so you can stay ahead of the curve and achieve your personal and professional goals. So, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button to stay connected with us and be notified of our future uploads. Get ready to elevate your affiliate marketing game to the next level. Affiliate marketing is a highly lucrative field that has been gaining popularity in recent years. Essentially, it involves promoting a product or service through your unique affiliate link and earning a commission for every sale made through that link. The best part, you don't need to create or own the product yourself. As an affiliate marketer, your role is to drive traffic to the merchant's website and encourage potential customers to make a purchase. However, to truly excel in this field, you need to have a solid understanding of various marketing strategies and techniques, as well as the ability to build strong relationships with merchants and customers alike. With the right approach and mindset, you can tap into the vast potential of affiliate marketing and take your earning potential to new heights. Segment 1. Understanding your audience. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to earn income online, but to be successful, you need to have a deep understanding of your audience. It's not enough to simply know their age range or location. You need to have a comprehensive understanding of their needs, desires, and pain points. Only then can you create valuable content that resonates with them and encourages them to engage with your affiliate links. To get to know your audience better, you can use tools like Google Analytics or survey forms to gather data about their interests and online behavior. Once you have this information, you can create content that speaks directly to their needs and desires. For example, if your audience is interested in health and wellness, you can create content that offers tips and advice on how to achieve a healthy lifestyle. By providing value to your audience, you'll establish yourself as a trusted authority in your niche. When creating content, it's important to strike a balance between promoting your affiliate products and providing helpful information. You don't want to come across as too sleazy or pushy. Instead, focus on educating your audience and offering solutions to their problems. If you can help them solve a problem or achieve a goal, they'll be more likely to trust your recommendations and click on your affiliate links. It's also important to be transparent about your affiliate relationships. Make it clear to your audience that you may receive a commission if they purchase through your link. This transparency will help build trust with your audience and ensure that they feel comfortable clicking on your links. In summary, successful affiliate marketing requires a deep understanding of your audience, a focus on providing value through high-quality content, and transparency about your affiliate relationships. By following these principles, you can establish yourself as an authority in your niche and build a loyal audience that trusts your recommendations. Segment 2. Choosing the right products. As an influencer, it is important to be mindful of the products you choose to promote. Not all products are created equal, and it's crucial to select those that align with your niche and are of high quality. Your audience relies on your recommendations and trusts your authenticity, so it's essential to do your due diligence before promoting any product. One way to ensure that the products you promote are high quality and align with your niche is by researching the brand and reading reviews. Look for products that have positive feedback from customers and align with your branding and messaging. This will help you build trust with your audience and establish yourself as a credible influencer. It's also important to stand behind the products you promote. This means using them yourself and ensuring that they meet your standards before recommending them to your followers. Authenticity is key in influencer marketing, and your audience can quickly tell if you're promoting a product just for the sake of making money. In summary, when selecting products to promote, take the time to research the brand and read reviews. Choose products that align with your niche and are of high quality. Most importantly, stand behind the products you promote and remain authentic. By following these guidelines, you'll build trust with your audience and establish yourself as a respected influencer. Segment 3. Diversifying your channels. As an affiliate marketer, it's crucial to understand the importance of diversifying your marketing channels. By relying solely on one channel, you limit your reach and risk losing out on potential customers if there is a change in algorithms or unexpected events. To maximize your chances of success, it's wise to spread your marketing efforts across multiple channels. One effective way to expand your reach is through social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. By building a following of engaged users and sharing your affiliate links with them, you can increase your visibility and drive traffic to your links. You can also use paid advertising on these platforms to target specific audiences and increase the likelihood of conversion. Another effective marketing tool is email marketing. By creating targeted campaigns or newsletters, you can reach out to potential customers and promote your affiliate links to them. This approach allows you to build a more personal relationship with your audience, increasing their trust and engagement with your brand. Lastly, blogging can provide a powerful platform for building your brand and showcasing your expertise. By creating high-quality content that is relevant to your niche, you can drive traffic to your affiliate links while also establishing yourself as an authority in your field. It's essential to tailor your approach to each marketing channel and explore different strategies to find what works best for your brand. By diversifying your marketing efforts and expanding your reach, you can connect with new audiences and increase the effectiveness of your affiliate marketing efforts. Segment 4. Tracking and analyzing performance. To achieve success in any field, it's important to keep track of your performance metrics. Numbers never lie, and by analyzing them, you can get valuable insights into what's working for you and what's not. For instance, by monitoring metrics like click-through rates, you can see how well your content is resonating with your audience. Similarly, by tracking conversion rates, you can measure how effectively your marketing efforts are converting leads into paying customers. To get the most out of your performance metrics, it's important to dive deep into the data, identify trends and patterns, and use them to fine-tune your strategy for optimal results. For example, if you notice that your click-through rates are low, you may want to experiment with different headlines or calls to action to see if they improve engagement. Similarly, if your conversion rates are low, you may want to reevaluate your targeting or messaging to better align with your audience's needs and preferences. By keeping a close eye on your performance metrics, you can make data-driven decisions that will help you achieve your goals and grow your business. So, don't neglect this crucial aspect of your strategy, embrace it, and use it to drive your success forward. Segment 5. Building relationships with merchants. In the world of affiliate marketing, cultivating strong relationships with merchants and affiliate networks is crucial to success. One of the most important aspects of building these relationships is communication. It's important to regularly reach out to your network to stay updated on the latest trends and best practices in the industry. By doing so, you can gain valuable insights that can help you stay ahead of the competition. Additionally, building strong relationships with merchants and affiliate networks can help you secure exclusive deals and promotional materials that can give you an edge in the marketplace. By working closely with your partners, you can identify opportunities to collaborate and develop mutually beneficial relationships that can help you grow your business over time. Ultimately, the key to success in affiliate marketing is building and maintaining strong relationships with your network. By staying connected and engaged with your partners, you can stay ahead of the competition and achieve your goals. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to supercharging your affiliate marketing strategy. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes dedication, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check the links in the description below for more tips and resources. And hey, why not hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content? Until next time, stay tuned.